Frank, you don't get money of 2007. Where they picking money? Now, well done. Asaba the sweet too. Now Lagos are from the come. You know, say now only Lagos now all the tribe full. We die here, all of us now spread the country together. Country where be say our police. You don't see our police uniform. If you go UK, if you see their police, to be thief go they hungry you. Clean, neat. You don't see our police. Now only our police they wear one uniform for 18 years. Emeka or Suji. After 8 years, the letters go to fall come out. You can't see make Suj. You say, may that person not shoot you, that you're dead, my nigga. Now, we are truly in a town hall. We never reach different, too. By the time we get to Bala Blue, when we reach Bulaba, now, bag of rice now 90,000. When we reach Bulaba, bag of rice will be 500K for a bag.
We have just started.
Yes, we are just getting there. That time, a cabin biscuit that we share for wedding. If you not chop, they go as. That time if you buy should be they not give you rice for party, you feel die. The country not spoil. You know, say now this country, I love Igbo men. Oh. Seriously speaking, Igbo people are the best thing to ever happen to this world. In fact, if you know you are proudly Igbo here. In Igbo, kwenu. No, I'm not doing well now. Igbo, kwenu. Igbo man, they know they like romance, but they spend money. They spend with both hands. Yoruba man will want propose go down. I don't care. Will you marry me? The thing where they annoy me fast. Instead of me to get your coloring chauffeur on. Ah! Ah! Put it! Bastard. Waiting for that collect since. Igbo man will come from Anambra. You say go buy ring down. You are lying. All this one where they pronounce arrow as L. They want to say rice. They will say lies. One say lizard. They will say lizard. Go hold the ring. This is the link. Go down on your knees. Let me propose. If you want, I give. If you don't want, I go home. You don't play with me here. Igbo man. Now let Igbo man go there near you for your same compound. As soon as they wake up, you go wake. If you not wake, you go. You get one song where you go play for you. You must wake up. Around 5 a.m. in the morning, you go to hear a song like this. Na biko eze biko na garanyange kuranya. If that one not work, you go play another one. Oh, na to wane na wane Chineke no wane Oh, na to wane na wane If that one not work you, by 7 you come be one. We be like say your spirit they come up for your body. You go here. Draw me nera to the daddy. If I dey talk and women at the clap now. Igbo people, I love them. If they want to enjoy themselves, they get one particular woman where they like. I'm there is a no I want to the on your I love them. Oh my God, confirm. You too much. Correct guy. Wow. Asaba they say una make am. Now why I come from Lagos. But the one way they na be like say na me go come to borrow na money. Yeah. You know, say for this country, it's very difficult for you to explain your problem. There are 3 problems that you face in life as a man, you are finished. There's a difference between problem, yawa, and wahala. Problem! Now, when your side chick get belly for you, and she can't say she not go about her, that's a problem. So, Greg, yawa is when your side chick give you infection. That's yawa. Wahala is a combination of little problem and a bit of yawa. Now listen to wahala. Wahala now when you carry a shower for Oluku. If you know where they call Oluku in Benin, Oluku now where old Ashawo day. All those Ashawo where them now they aziki we carry. Them Habat Macaulay. Yeah, where they sleep with trailer driver, they sleep on that motor. You just say, Zia 25 anyway. Then they call them Osagedemu. You can't go sleep with that kind of ashawo. In the process of koi, condom come burst. Devil will say, wow, see my baby. Wait. Now that one you will know say problem dey this life. That time as you dey come out from the hotel, before you even come out, you dey back, you go dey sing one Benin song. Igalele, where Jesus o. Igalele, where your penis go to vibrate. Where Yasu for? As you dey come out for the hotel, the first motto, the number plate you will see now, HIV 244BEN. You're gonna say God. HIV for number plate. For you to know, say you don't get problem, you can begin to get small headache when they start from back. Your mind will tell you, go and Google symptoms of HIV. As you Google symptoms of HIV, the first thing, headache from the neck. Your mind will tell you, say, you see your life? Your mind will tell you, say, you see your life? Now that you did so. Inside there, you're going to try to think of your house where you want to say. Before you know, your mind will say, okay, it's not all over. As you want to go bath, your armpit will begin itch you. You can say, wow, which one armpit they itch me again? You bring out your phone, you type symptoms of HIV. You can say itchy armpit. Oh! Your mind now will tell you, say, now it's either you die or you live. You can't go lab. As you reach lab, you want to check for HIV status. You know, want to tell them your name. Your name is Gregory. Sorry, not you. What's your name, sir? People, we don't get infection before. You supposed to get infection. You don't forget this kind of bad head, you don't get infection. Your infection is supposed to surplus. Now, why you wear brown? Wait till me name. Tell me your name before I use you. Ramsey. Aha. His name na Ramsey. But instead of me use Ramsey, you can't say, my name na Osageduwa Osaze. They'll come ask you, what are we going to use to take your sample? Stool, liquid, urine, or blood? You can't say urine. You can't piece inside beaker. Can't give them. As you see the beaker, one way be like cellophane, good days, you say, hey, now HIV, you're the swim, they go so good. Now, they will come go inside. You not give them your name, you give them Osazuwa, Osageduwa, Osaze. They'll come ask you, sir, will you like to wait for your result or you come back again? You know, say if you go out, you feel die for road. So you will say, I will wait. Now, while you are waiting, you go outside the lab, you go buy gala. As you buy gala, listen to me, you look at who will quick get HIV soon, no? As you buy gala, one big girl will get big nuts with one compass, you can't swear for a go kill you now. They cause this problem. What this so? Now you can't go back to inside the lab. They'll come out. Please, who is Osazuwa Osagede? You don't forget your name. Who is Osazuwa Osagede? You don't forget your name. The nurse will collect the piece will come and say, sir, you are Nami, not lie. You can't enter inside the office. Now, while you are in the office, you know they sit down well because you know say the result what they want to give you is what can kill you or can keep you alive. For your mind, oh God, if you save me now, I will never fuck again. Now lie. Devil will tell you say na lie. Look the nurse nyash. Will tell devil say leave nyash. Leave nyash. Now result I they wait for so. Now you never want to sit down where you can't sit down for the edge of the chair. The doctor will come tell you one rubbish. Sir, what job do you do? Waiting concern job and result. Sir, how many sex partners do you have? Oh, I don't die. The man can say, okay, you know what? It's not even anything that you should really kill yourself over. We are very sorry. This is not the end of the road. For your mind, wait. This is not the end of the road. You have Staphylococcus aureus. You know where you just stand and say, thank you, Jesus. You have saved my soul. Wait! Lie. You come in last for a reason. Now, there are some things that you men are doing that is actually killing you. I want to quickly tell you. You are the root of your problems. Una not they use I see roots. Una go they miss. You in particular. Before if they put up for your pocket now, small thing go fall out. Now una they miss alaboku and small stout. I know say as you hear now you go try and you will die. You know. Meanwhile, una will come miss that thing. Come suck. Now live on, you ferment, now come drink just because you don't want to come on time. I assure you, you will come on time. Now, let me quickly give you this. There are levels and age to this thing. If you, as a man, you are 25, your blood is hot. Sir Greg, listen, so that you don't be blaming yourself. As a man, 25, wait. You don't get responsibility. Wait. When you get to 30, wait, we reduce. Then you go, wait. 35, wait. 50, wait. 60, oh, the year of the Lord. Your wife will say, you say, yeah. Hey, me una bosununai. Your wife will say, you say, yeah. Don't tell me that moyo. Wait. You can't go back. Now, when you bend your national strength to you, your wife will say, you say, why weapon? Hey, my guy. Hey, confirm. Are you really useful? Oh, my God. I don't really know. Oh, yeah, come. Hit me. Now, let me continue the way journey. Now, you are still on 60, right? You go way. Now, this is the year that I love so much. If you get to this year, 65, that's when you are a sugar daddy. And once you become a sugar daddy, you have diabetes, a little high blood pressure, and small cholesterol. Small, a drop of it. Now, 65, your way, not the hard. You yoga. Way. As you all go down one way, the thing will all go down. You call it again. Play with it. Play with it. Now this is the last way. This is the last way session. Now when you get to 68 to 70, for you where they smoke like this, you're on 47. That's when your way will start. Because the way you take is throw away smoke like generator, will spoil. Does your mother know you smoke like a dragon? Bastard. Motherfucker. Now this is where it gets very interesting. 70, the way of the Lord. Now see how it goes. Sir Greg, you hear me? I'm telling you something. I'm seeing the future. You might not be. Now you watch you. 70. Go fair massage all your leg. Before you do it, you don't beg madam. Yeah. No, say, I beg you. You know, say, get one language women they speak where they want that. Nobody they understand that. Now, lady women, wait to. Yeah. This will not really get another work. Now, why they concentrate on this one? Now, yeah. Now, we want fall out. Where they be, who work better. As I see smoke, I see everywhere they born. You they mad? Just for a minute, please. Because if I don't look at smoke, I just say, hey, God, what's it they born? Not trying to get grace. Which guy born? This one pass born boy, they mad? If I repair generator, now come down and they smoke like that. Now watch you. Now we will watch you. They don't massage your leg. Why would baby condom not they work that time, Condom they work. Condom not they work for 70. In case you don't know, no now 70 condom is useless. So as you feel raise down, once you get down first and last erection, see the checking out there. The way not they lie here. Wait. The next thing now. Ladies and gentlemen,
everyone make some noise! We get comedian and another.